This is going to be a video tutorial on how to generate Lorem Ipsum text using Microsoft Word. I'll be using Microsoft Word 365 on a desktop PC. Let me jump over to Microsoft Word here. Okay, I've got Microsoft Word opened up. To generate Lorem Ipsum text, Microsoft Word has a feature built into it. And the way to do that, you want to do the equal sign, lorem, and then some parentheses. Open and close parentheses, and then you will hit enter. And it will generate some random Lorem Ipsum text. I'm going to press Control Z. You can also, I'm going to put my cursor in between those parentheses. You can also define the number of paragraphs and the number of sentences in the paragraphs. Say I want 3 paragraphs. I'm going to make a comma now, and I want 4 sentences in each paragraph. I'm going to move my cursor outside of that last parenthesis. I'm going to hit enter, and now I have 3 paragraphs with 5 sentences in each paragraph. This last one, it's a very short paragraph. There's 3 words, a period, another 3 words, a period, 2 words, so it looks a little different, but there is 3 paragraphs with 5 sentences in each paragraph. But that is how you generate Lorem Ipsum text using Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.